dance is called Get In or Get Out. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, high improvement line dance with 3 tags and 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot. Step forward on the right into a left kick ball step. Kick in the left, left beside right, step forward on that right. Step forward on the left, rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left, shuffle back on that right, back plays back. That set of steps once more then, stepping forward into that kick ball step, off on the right. 7, 8, step, kick ball step, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle. Shuffle a half turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Turn yourself a further quarter of a turn to the left as you rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on that left. Into a little weave, crossing the right behind the left, left to the side, cross the right over. Point the left to the side, hold on the and count, you bring the left beside the right. Now set of steps once more then, half shuffle, off on that left. 7, 8, half shuffle, turn, rock, behind side, cross, point, hold and. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that section with your half shuffle and then that quarter turning side rock. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, instead of doing your half shuffle, just shuffle back on the left, and then instead of that quarter turning side rock, rock back on the right. As you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the right, then you can join in with everybody else, little weave behind side, cross, point, hold and. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 of turn out in that section. Let's add that to the top. Step, kick ball step off on the right. 7, 8, step, kick ball step, step, forward, rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn, rock, behind side, cross, point, hold and. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. On the and count, you're going to bring the right back beside the left. Into some heel switches. So you're going to touch your left heel forward, step the left beside the right heel forward, step the right beside the left. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on that right. Turn a quarter left as you chasse to the left. So it's a quarter turn, close, side. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock on the right. 7, 8, forward rock and heel and forward rock, turn chasse. Add that to the top. Step, kick ball step off on the right. 7, 8, step, kick ball step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn, rock, behind side, cross, point, hold and forward rock and heel and forward rock, turn chasse. Cross the right over the left, make a quarter turn right as you step back on that left. Into a right-footed coaster step, back, close, step. Step forward on the left, make a half a turn left as you step back on that right, into a half shuffle turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. That set of steps once more then. Cross quarter turn off on that right. 7, 8, cross, turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle. Now you have got the equivalent of a full turn in the last part of that section with your half turn and then your half shuffle turn. Should you need to try and take that out, your non-turning steps would be Cross, quarter turn, coaster step, same as everybody else, and then step forward. And instead of making that half a turn, just step forward on the right, and then instead of the half shuffle, just shuffle forward on that left. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that full turn out of that last section. Otherwise, that's the end of the dance, so let's put it all together. Step, kick, ball, step off on the right. 7, 8, step, kick, ball, step, step, forward, rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn, rock, behind side cross, point, hold, and forward rock, and heel, and forward rock, turn, chasse, cross, turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle. As you dance, I'll now go through it with counts. Stepping forward on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, hold 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step, kick, ball, step off on the right. 7, 8, step, kick, ball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross, point, hold and forward rock, and heel, and forward rock, turn, chasse, cross, turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle, step, kick, ball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn, rock, behind side cross, point, hold and forward rock, and heel, and forward rock, turn, chasse, cross, turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle, step, kick, ball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn, rock, behind side cross, point, hold and forward rock, and heel, forward rock, turn, chasse, cross, turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle. So that's your dance and your walkthrough. Now there are 3 tags and 2 restarts in this dance. Your first restart comes on wall 3, which is your 6 o'clock wall, after 16 and counts. So halfway through the dance. So you would have just done your point, hold, and bringing the left beside the right, and you restart at that point. So let's just take you through wall 3, 6 o'clock wall, 16 and counts, and restart the dance. Stepping forward on that right. 7, 8, step, kick, ball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn, rock, behind side cross, point, hold and restart, step, kick, ball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle. You then come to 2 tags. So one is at the end of wall 5, the other is at the end of wall 8. They are both identical. So wall 5 will be your 12 o'clock wall. You'll actually do this tag facing 3 o'clock. Wall 8 will be your 9 o'clock wall. You will do the tag facing 12 o'clock. You'll tag quite simply. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a right coaster step, back goes step. And repeat with the left foot. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a left coaster step. That's your tag. Once more, off on that right. 7, 8, forward, rock, coaster step, forward rock, coaster step. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's have a go at wall 8. Take it right through wall 8 and on the tag at the end and restart the dance. Step, kickball step off on the right. 7, 8, step, kickball step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross, point, hold, back forward rock, and heel, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, turn, coaster step, step, turn, half shuffle tag, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, coaster step, restart step, kickball step, step, forward rock, back shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. So that's your first tag and comes at the ends of walls 5 and 8. Your second tag comes halfway through the dance after 16 and counts on wall 9. So you will have just done your last tag at the end of wall 8. That then takes you into wall 9. So your tag on this occasion is quite simple. You stop the right forward, hold, stop the left forward, hold. Single count timing, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like I said, it comes after 16 and counts effectively on wall 9. You do the tag and then you restart. So let's take you up to 16 and counts, wall 9, which is our 12 o'clock wall, add on the tag and restart. Step, kickball, step off on the right. 7, 8, step, kickball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross, point, hold them, tag, stomp, hold, restart, step, kickball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle. So hopefully you see how that second tag fits in. Stomp, hold, after 16 and counts, wall 9. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Don't forget you have 3 tags, 2 restarts. So your first restart, wall 3, 16 and counts. End of wall 5, you have your tag. End of wall 8, you have your tag. And then 16 and counts into wall 9 is that second tag and restart. So it's your dance, your walk through, your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go to bed music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, kickball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross, point, forward rock, heel and heel, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, turn, coaster step, step, turn, half shuffle, step, kickball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross, point, forward rock, heel and heel, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, turn, coaster step, step, turn, half shuffle, step, kickball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, should restart wall, point, restart, step, kickball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn, rock, behind side cross, point, forward rock, heel and heel, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, turn, coaster step, step, turn, half shuffle, step, kickball, step, step, forward rock, back shuffle, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross, point, forward rock, heel and heel, forward rock, back shuffle, cross, turn, coaster step, step, turn, half shuffle, turn, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, coaster step, step, kick ball step, step. Half shuffle. Forward rock. Cross turn. Step, kick ball step. Half shuffle. Forward rock. Cross turn. Step, kick ball. Half shuffle. Forward rock. Cross turn. The next tempo. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Step kick ball. The restart ball. Half shuffle, turning rock, outside cross, point, stomp, stomp. Step, kick ball step, step. Hope you managed that one.